AI sounds complicated, right? You're probably thinking it's too expensive, too complicated, and way out of my league. But guess what? Those are just myths, and I'm about to crush them one by one. Because selling AI employees is way easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll see how small businesses are already using AI employees and how you can start offering these solutions, no tech skills required. And stay with me to the end because I'll hook you up with my free AI Employee Playbook, the ultimate guide to selling AI employees today. Let's break down the biggest excuses I hear all the time. AI is too expensive. Wrong. AI employees like chatbots and virtual receptionists, they save businesses money. No more missed calls, no more wasted time, and no more lost sales. The other thing I'm hearing, I don't understand AI. Well, no worries, you don't need to. AI tools today are plug and play. Anyone can set them up. And finally, I hear things like, my clients won't use AI. Well, think again. Businesses are jumping on AI faster than ever. In fact, if you're not offering it, your competitors will. Here's the truth. Selling AI is not about knowing code. It's about knowing what businesses need and connecting them with the right AI tools. And guess what? Today's AI tools are so user-friendly that they do most of the heavy lifting for you. Imagine setting up an AI receptionist that blocks spam calls and books appointments instantly, all with just a few clicks. See, it's that easy. So, how do you actually start selling AI employees? Step 1, focus on what small businesses need. AI receptionists and chatbots are currently in big demand. Step 2, use a proven framework. My AI Employee Playbook walks you through everything step by step. And then step 3, use pre-built templates that do 90% of the work for you. Now, AI is the future, and with the right tools, you'll be ahead of the curve. Still feeling overwhelmed? Look, I get it. AI sounds big and scary, but trust me, it's easier than you think. With the right guidance, you'll have the confidence to offer AI solutions that businesses actually need, close deals with zero technical experience, and start earning monthly recurring income, all with minimal effort. Still wondering if you can do this? Let me break it down. Step 1, download my AI Employee Playbook. It's your shortcut to success. Step 2, follow the proven roadmap. No guesswork, just results. And step 3, start offering AI services and watch your business grow. It's time to take action. So what's stopping you? Small businesses need these solutions. AI employees are the answer, and my free AI Employee Playbook gives you everything: training, strategy, and even a pre-built website to get started now. Comment employee below and grab the training and tools to start owning AI today. The AI wave is happening now. The only question is, are you riding it or watching from the sidelines? Comment employee below and let's get you started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.